Hi guys, welcome to another tray with the giveaway. So for you guys that be supporting Sherry, God bless you, God bless you. For those that are supported financially, that have supported Gideon, let me buy you data, let me do this, God bless you. For those that are only sponsoring, God bless you. So guys, what you do for me, please always share. That's a way of encouraging me. Tag your friend, share it to your friend, come and watch, come and train the giveaway. I'm gonna promise you this year we're gonna do a lot more bigger. So the style I'm gonna be tied today is a non-conventional style. I must have tied it in Sego, but a lot of people are asking how do you tie it in Ashoki. Again, it's a style that I love so much. So I'm gonna tie it. And that style, to tie it, you need a length 90. Yeah, you need a length 90 gele, 4 layers. You need a length 90 4 layers. How do we check for our length 90? Yes, we spread it from the tip of our ends now to the shoulder level. You get from the tip of our ends to the shoulder level. So guys, now the style we're going to be tying, we're going to share it 50-50. And now you can see we are folded equally. So like I normally say, if you should take anything from the middle, it's going to be equal. We're going to take anything from the middle as well, it's going to be equal. So what we do right about now, we'll open it from any place. Okay, I just take care. Let me take care. Then all I'll do, I'll pleat. Get. I will make my pleats. Make my pleats. Okay, see, I've made my pleats already. So what do I do? I'll fold it like this, then hold it both sides here. Take it from the back. Please, whenever you are tying, always ask your model or your client to take off their earrings. Yes, always ask your client or model to take off their earrings. So you should put this hand there. She hold this first for me, and she holds this first. That I might zoom out a little bit. Give her the other side to hold while you dress this side. Now you arrange all the plates. You arrange it. Say please, when you're arranging your plate, it has to be neat. When you're arranging your plate, it has to be neat. You get so. Please make sure your plate comes down properly and it is firm. Get so. You see, I've made this side. Now the person will hold the engage. Then, who say me go post? All right, so for this other side, do not take our hands off. We'll arrange. Now note we are using the name of the Ashoke we are using is a Luma Shoke. And guys, we are having a 2 weeks intensive gele class in Surulere. And if you are in Benin, do not miss out. The design is on my Instagram. You can check it out to register. 2 weeks class in Surulere by March, starting first week of March, and 2 weeks class in Benin City, starting the third week of March. So guys, do not miss out. Do not miss out. So guys, see what we have achieved. Now you can see it's having a V shape. It's having a V shape. It's crossing both sides. So you're gonna hold it for me. Now, why I arrange this way, I arrange and hold this one this way. Watch, 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 watch. I hold this. I dress this also to hold it like this. So I hold this one this way. So what we do, make it firm. Is it firm? Yeah. You make it firm. You drag both ways if it's firm. Then you take this one this way and this one this way. I don't know if you get. This one comes this way and this other one this way. So you see? We twist it, this one this way, this other one this way. And now there's this thing I normally do. All I will just quickly do is just take little here. Look at, you see this one, you see the way this one is now. Yeah, I just take it and quickly pin here to make it firm. Then I'll do the same this way, drag it down and quickly pin. All right, guys, so now you can see still on her ears. So you can tell her to hold her ears. So you see, make sure this your V is still showing. All right, so guys, what you do now normally I do say whenever you are tying a two-sided gele, start with the side you are comfortable. Now if I have to start, I'm supposed to start with here, which I'm comfortable with. But I now notice something whenever I'm tying is that this side I'm not really comfortable with. Getting the fan properly to match this side is always difficult for me. I get this side very well. Getting this side to be equal with this side is difficult for me. So what I now do, I interchange it. I do this side fixed. Hello, I do this side fixed. Then whatever fan I get this way, I'll match it up with that side. Because now there's going to be fan this way, fan this way. So with the way we do it now, it has to be equal with each other for this side to be fine. For this side to be fine, it has to be equal. Sorry, I think I pinned wrongly. Supposed to be from the bottom. Yeah, supposed to be from the bottom. Okay. Now, okay, so guys, see how it's gonna be. We arrange this down. You bring this, you arrange it down. Watch. All those lines you are seeing, you keep arranging it. See. Hello, when you see a line, you arrange it. But now you will notice something. The down is small, the up is big. Look at it. The down is small, the up is big. So you can look for anyone there, but the up will be big, the up must be big, the down will be small. And whatever you are doing, make sure it's on top each other. Hello, make sure it's on top each other. If you can see it very well, and make sure everything is on top each other, then we continue. Top each other. So guys, you can see Harry. So now it's small, now small, then big. Now you can see we start making our fan. We start making our fan. But for it to be easy for me, I'll try to hold here. Now please hold here. Let me go and pin at the back. Guys, see this one now. I'm going to arrange it to pass here. Look at, it's going to pass here like this. So see, arrange this one and this one, just these two. Now we drag it. We drag it, then we pin here. Drag it, then we pin here. We drag these two. So guys, this side is always hard for me to drag because it's my left-handed side, but what do? We try our best. So most times, like I always tell you guys, I like pinning twice because I'm not always sure whether the first one is staying well, then I pin twice. Now we come back. Okay, she cannot remove her hands. So guys, you notice everything we did on top each other, on top each other. So we keep up with the pattern small, small one, then big. You can see what we're doing already, Abby. Now we keep up, we arrange it. Once you arrange, we still keep up small, small, big. But now whatever we are doing, we are breaking it down. Make sure it's going down we arrange again. You see, do a small, big to going down. You can see now we arrange, 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 arrange. Get so we'll go again small, so we'll go again small, big. You get so when you get here, you should see small, big, small, big, small, big, small, big. So when you get to this extent, now if you get it like this, let me tell you the truth. If it gets to this place, it's supposed to go more backward than this. If it gets to this place, just know you have succeeded in giving one side. Maybe during the twisting or whatever we are doing, we gave the other side more fabric, because definitely they are supposed to be equal. So you see this one here. This is the one of those that we pin, like the way we normally wrap. We'll take it, wrap everything together. Please hold your ear. Your two ears, yeah. No, yeah. You wrap everything now together. Please, that first two. Whenever you're pinning any gele, the first two you pin should be the one that is very firm. That first two you pin should be the one that is very, very firm. So after pinning, we'll not check. Okay, is this still intact? Yes. All right. So guys, this is what we have. This is what we have. And you can see this is what we have, and it's not looking bad at all. So what we have here now, we're gonna recreate it this way. We're gonna recreate it this way. So let's go. We're gonna recreate it this way. All right. So start. Now you can see we start making pleats. Small, small down, big up. We'll keep on going. So guys, so keep going. We'll keep going. Just whatever you do this that way is the same thing you do this way. So you just keep arranging, arranging. Okay. All right, so please will now wait. Okay, this will link with this. Not if you're seeing it. This one now will link with this, which is okay. It's coming out the way it's supposed to. Then we do this. This one now will link with this, so we can keep up going. So all I just do most times is just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'll make sure as I'm breaking down, I break out the same thing the other way, so it can match. All right, so guys, we arrange on top each other. Please do not forget, if it's getting bulky, so that it doesn't go. If it's getting bulky, now you tell her to hold it like this. Start to hold it like this, so I can go back and pin. All right, so guys, so we're gonna take these ones now. We take it across. We take the two. We take it across. We take it across here and pin here. We take it across like this and pin here, like across, pin here. That's you're pinning the first two. You pin again. Make sure when you pin, it is always firm. You pin again. So the pinning is very, very important. The pinning is very, very important. Okay, yeah. Okay, okay. All right. Okay, so keep it going. We keep breaking and we keep going. No, we keep going, not so. Oh, make sure everything is on top each or that everything on top what each other. So arrange, 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 arrange. So this one not so. So what we do again, like we did the other side, I'll do the other side. Well, like we did the other side, kind of pin it inside so that once we twist, it will hold. Now this one is the one we twist with the first one. Please hold your 2 years. That's the one we twist with. She hold her 2 years, they will use it and wrap it. You just spin. You just spin anywhere. This spinning anywhere is just for it to hold. You get this spinning anywhere just for it to hold. Now it's on to get the shape. Now we have done our best. We have done our best. Now it's for us to give it shape. For us, yeah. Okay. Thank God. And then I do so. Okay, station. All right, so guys, what we do now, we try our best to do our linking. This is like this. Uh-huh. So let's link and now join together. We bring it together and we join. See, we bring it together there, we join it at the middle. Once we join it, we now use our hands. Okay, sorry. Once I join, most times I use my hands to arrange, arrange, arrange. Then we pin it more. I like pinning it twice so that it be balanced. Then you just look for any other place that you want to pin and pin it so it comes out well. So guys, this is it. 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 And this is it. You can see it came out so well. So guys, this came out so well, and this is a bridal gele. Let's be firm. This is a bridal gele. This is a bridal gele. You get so you can see how it came out. And see how it came out so well. She wrote both ears. So what we can do now, if you want to cover this now, cover like this. I just took this inside this. They will cover. I will then pin. Get. But if she doesn't want to cover her hair, we'll wrap it around it. We'll wrap it around the hair. You get. We'll wrap it around the hair. So whatever way, always be prepared. So guys, this is it. 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 Oh, na be this. Oh. All right.